Hey guys, Kosta Gara coming to you from our Miami headquarters. Very excited to be here with you today. Want to talk about something very unique, and that is Apple versus Gara Group. You're probably thinking, what in the world? Apple, Gara Group, what do they have in common? Well, let me tell you quickly. Apple has become one of the most sought after brand companies in the world. Why? They have mastered one trade, and they've mastered it to nearly perfection. That is developing the software along with also building the device. Combination of two working under the same roof called Apple makes their product absolutely perfect. From MacBook to iPad to iPhone, work flawlessly. That's exactly what we have done here in this profession of network marketing, direct selling, and that's under the umbrella of Gara Group. One place has done it all. We are able to provide you the back office, the software, the video production, shipping, logistics, customer service, social media, and pretty much everything you need to have in this profession to be successful under one roof. Now, what makes it unique, we are the same company that bring you the back office, as well bring you the website, the video production, and we also take care of the customer service, social media, and all these departments. Since they're all under one umbrella of Gara Group, they have the ability to work together flawlessly, communicate, integrate, and work flawlessly together, bring you an absolute, incredibly perfect, near perfect product that has never been done in this industry. For over 50 years, no other company has done anything like this to bring you that perfect product that can literally cater from customer service to back office, social media, shipping, logistics, video, and everything you need under one roof under Gara Group. This is what we do. You want to find out more information about it? Check out garagroup.com. My time is up. Thanks for yours. Have a terrific day.